Alright, welcome back everybody. Today, fuel tank repair kit for the fuel tank repair. And you can see this one we've already filled the holes with the putty. And this one here has still got big holes in it. We're going to try our luck on this. See how this fuel tank repair kit works. Okay. This stuff kicks off really fast. So you can see that it's covered everything. There's some fiberglass that goes under there to help with them holes. So it goes fast. All right, so Permatex fuel tank repair kit. They give you an alcohol swab, clean it off with a wire wheel grinder, expose all the big holes, clean it real good with this, and then let that dry. And then we'll come back and push some putty into these really big holes that are in here. You can see that hole goes all the way into the tank, and we don't want this epoxy falling into the tank. All right, so we take some of this little putty here and we shove it into all the holes and make it flat. The green. Okay, that looks good. All right, so we got some fiberglass and we got 2-part epoxy. I stuck this in some warm water just to make it more pliable. Then you take this and you squeeze the bottom pouch. It's going to break open. Get all that goodness in there and you mix it back and forth. And you can feel it starting to get hot. As soon as you start mixing this stuff, it's going to start getting hot and kick off. You've got 0 time to apply this once it's mixed, so you got to be ready. A lot of smaller hole things, you'll have to cut your stuff down first. And then get it all kneaded together. Okay, now just gonna cut a corner off. Well, maybe if my knife was sharp, I'd cut a corner off. All right, and now we're going to apply it. Since our tank's on a hill, we're going to apply it to the top side and let it roll. Then we'll brush it. Make sure you got it all over real thick and everything's touching and the epoxy's happy. And then lay down your mat. Pour some more epoxy on it. Oh, come on. Don't run down, run up. Oh, probably should have done that a little bigger. Oh well. Here we are now. And that's it.